ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello! Ancient mathematics was the arithmetic of numbers and the geometry of shapes. Arithmetic over time evolved into algebra has uses letters instead of numbers. From that time onwards, geometric thoughts are sometimes mixed with algebraic problems and again algebraic problems are mixed with geometrical thoughts. As early as the 17th century, mathematicians Descartes and Fermat developed a general method for accurate translation of algebra and geometry. This method was later known as analytic geometry. That being said, an interesting story about Descartes came into mind. René Descartes was a French philosopher and mathematician. There is a story circulating about him in relation to coordinates. Descartes, who was once resting on his bed, noticed a fly coming over roof above him. The fly was shifting its position. He had an idea, wondering what positions the fly would be in each time. Just consider the distance from the walls to find the location of the fly. That is, the place where the fly first sits is 50 cm from the left wall and 40 cm from the next wall at the point where the vertical lines meet. Isn't that correct? So, look at just one point. Like the tools we commonly use to tell others the location of our home. For example, run 10 steps of main road and run to the left. Anyone who looks at this sign will no doubt find the place. The concept of coordinates can be used to accurately determine the position of a dot on a surface like this. See this star picture. If you want to enlarge this picture and draw it on paper, how to draw easily? What if you first drew lines like this, made small squares and drew on them? How to draw? Let's join all the required corners together like this. Isn't it? Can you draw this picture easily now? The position of all the points in the corners of the picture are different, right? Do you see a pair of numbers in all the corners of this picture? What do these mean? For example, look at the corner marked 40. The point is located 4 cells to the right from the 7th center of the star. The position does not change upwards. Therefore, the position of that point is marked as 40. Next, look at the corner marked 21. This corner reached from the center of our star by moving 2 cells to the right and then 1 cell up. Similarly, number pairs are written in all the corners of the star picture. Look at the first number of all the number pairs in the upper left of the image. What is so special? All numbers are negative, right? This means that the distances from the center to the left are usually taken to be negative. It is a device to distinguish between left and right using numbers. Similarly, the distances from the center to the bottom are also taken as negative. Thus, when the points are marked with the number pairs, the first number indicates the distance to the right or left and the second number shows distance up or down. The distances to the left or downwards should be taken as negative. Draw other pictures in the same way and find the number pairs of their corners. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.